Imagine yourself in this 2017 Ram 1500 SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 3.92 rear axle ratio, blue streak pearl, Class 4 hitch receiver, monotone paint application, quick order package 25A Street, SXT appearance group, trailer brake control and transmission, 6-speed automatic. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.